everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix photo editing apps freezing when applying filters or effects. So now let's get started. The first step is completely close your photo editing app and open it again, and it will refresh the app's performance. Another step is clearing the cache. Simply go to Settings and navigate to Apps and search for the photo editing app. Scroll down and tap on Storage, and again tap on Clear Cache at the bottom left corner. Another step is uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Simply uninstall the app and reinstall it again, and it may fix some minor glitches. So this is how to fix photo editing apps freezing when applying filters or effects. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.